This is VIVO X90 Pro, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can add an event to calendar on this device. So first you will need to find and launch the calendar application. Then you will have to select the date that you would like to create an event on. So let's say I'll go with 28th of April. Then tap at this plus icon to your bottom right. Choose the event option and fill out all the event details such as its name, Google account that it will be saved to, time frames, time zone, repetitiveness, or to put it in more comprehensive terms, the fact of this event being reoccurring or repetitive or not. So let's say it will take place each month, each year, weekly or daily, whatever. Then you can also invite some other people to participate, add the link to the video conference that this event may be referred to, set some location for it to occur, as well as set up whether you would like to be notified about this event in advance, and if so, when. You can also change the color that this event will be displayed under at your calendar, as well as write some brief description and attach a file if necessary. Then press or tap the save button to your top right, and here is my event. By tapping on it, I can see its details. I can edit those details by going for the edit option, or I can delete an event entirely by opening the additional settings menu, tapping at the delete option. Perhaps I will be able to tap at the delete and then just erase it entirely. Alrighty, so that will be it for today. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.